Hi and welcome to another episode of Cafe Chronicles. Today we have a really exciting day. We're finally going to be starting up our budget cafe racer build, the KZ750. So we've been waiting for this one for a while. Let's get stuck in.
One thing that we've done with shortening the brakes and everything else, anytime that you lower the handlebars, anything that connects to the handlebars is now going to have a lot more cable to it. So not only is our throttle cable worth changing because our throttle cable is old, but we're going to have a couple of inches of extra slack that's just going to kind of bow out and dangle and do whatever and kind of get in the way. So when we ordered our new throttle cable, we tried to figure out a way to get a shorter cable without going custom, because custom is like all the kits and stuff are for Imperial bikes. I just wanted to make sure to get something that would fit. So I wanted to find a factory Kawasaki cable that would fit our controls and our throttle without any issues, but also accommodate for how much lower our clip-ons are. Now, if you're lucky enough to have a factory race setup bike with drop bars on it, for example, Kawasaki introduced the GPZ series, which had lower handles. You could find a throttle cable for there. We couldn't. So I did a whole bunch of research online. I think this should be a couple inches shorter than the factory cable. Conflicting information. You never know. I think we can call that shorter.
out of gear. Yep. Ho ho!
High five?
Yeah.
It's smoky.
Yeah, it sounded good. So we're pretty happy with that. Bit of success. We had a little bit of wiring gremlins when we kind of got into it. We're just going to have a look at sort of where the fuse box is, how it's grounded to the frame, and how important that is and stuff like that. But we got it going.
We got it going.
And it's running, and it idled.
It did idle, so I wasn't sure. I mean, I was hoping that it would just fire right up and purr like a kitten, but considering that we completely disassembled the carbs, it's not really a realistic goal. Lots still to do.
Dan was just saying we had some backfires and stuff, but we haven't done the timing. You know, we haven't tuned it at all. Even just listening to how it's running, I think we need to do a static timing first, and then maybe have a look at tuning it. You know, and see how it goes. But I think it would be even early to put the carb sync on there yet. Even it would be, you know, we should probably do the timing just to make sure that's okay first. But like all in all, the fact that it was idling, the fact that, you know, it was responding to the throttle. You know, when we backed off the idle screw, it backed off the idle. You know, it was responding to the throttle. The exhaust sounding good on there already, and and it's like running rough as hell, and the exhaust is still sounding good. So when we have that tuned up nicely, it's gonna purr.
It'll be nice.
So we're a step closer. We're delighted to have it kind of up and running, and now it's going to be kind of just moving closer to, you know, we have one or two little engine hangers that we have to fix up. We have like some electrical that we have to just clean up, but there's stuff we'll maybe even do off camera. The tuning, we'll make sure to do an episode on tuning it, and the timing, we'll do an episode on timing it, just to, if anybody's interested. We got to hook up the speedometer cable as well on the little drive, and then we can maybe take her for her maiden voyage around the parking lot, you know.
That'll be fun.
Yeah. So, but hey, we're getting there. So we're pretty excited. We're hitting the pub now. So we're going to drink all the way through to next Saturday when you tune in again. Thanks for checking us out. Thanks for staying with us and following us on the build. And don't forget to support the channel. Check out the cafechronicles.ca website, and you can pick yourself up a cool t-shirt that helps us and keeps us sane. Maybe even pay for a beer for us. So thanks a lot for tuning in. Stay safe and see you soon.